Hello everyone. I am audible to all. Hello, hi. Yes, thank you. What about others? Okay, good. So now I hope everyone is well in this the pandemic present. Okay, pandemic situation. So please wait for the 3rd minute. So now up till now just start when the polls means how did you hear about from the Bhair Village school? So the question is okay, that's good. That's good. Maximum students are heard about from the LinkedIn, some of the from Fireplace School, some of the reference. Okay, that's good. Maximum professionals are came from the LinkedIn. That's good. Okay, 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 okay. And what about others? Okay. So now the next is where will you consider yourself in the data science? Means some of the guys are beginners, some of the intermediate, some of the advanced, maximum guys are from the beginners levels. Okay, that's good. Okay, that's good. Means maximum people are the beginner levels. Means some of the students are passed in the pandemic situation after the 20 in the year 2020 or after the 2021, right? Okay. Okay, so that's good. Now the next start about the today's master class. So happy learning day to all learners and the present here. Okay, so my name is Shubham Nagalwade. I am corporate trainer and the data scientist at the Firebase Technology Private Limited, Nagpur. Okay, with the specialization in machine learning, deep learning and the Python concept. So I have been into the training in this the domain since last 3 years and have the train more than the 1000 plus data science it was. Now let's start with our sessions today. Okay, so now the agenda of today's session is Madhav. Just click on the link. So there is no any requirement to download the apps or any other. So just click on the links. It automatically open in the laptop. Okay, just click on this link. Okay, I think everyone's screen is visible, right? So now welcome to the class and today's agenda is how to use the Python to solve the real world problems, not a like dummy data set. Okay. Now the next question and the biggest is the how the data generated in the today's world. The next is fact about the data means this data is real or the fake. Okay, the some of the companies says that ki some of the like Facebook or the LinkedIn or any other social company says that ki the like many more user data leaks means this data set is real or the fake. Then now the biggest now the like maximum like the beginners or the freshers after the college pass out, the maximum students are confused what is mean by the data analytics, what is mean by the data analysis, what is mean by the data science, machine learning, artificial intelligence, because the maximum students are confused what is mean that. And whereas then my career transferred to the data analytics or the data analysis or the data analysis, so all topics covered from the today's master class. Then what is mean by the machine learning and how to choose the career path and how to choose the proper syllabus or to go up to the data scientist level. Okay, and now the next last topic, it is very interesting topic, the real time data analysis. Okay, and this data analysis based on the Python language, totally based on the Python language. Okay, so now see the one kids from the data is becoming the the data is becoming the new raw material of a business and says that the Carnegie Mandi. Okay, so it is very important the data becoming the new raw. It's like the automobile industry. You know the some of the guys come from the mechanical or the automobile industry or the aerospace engineering. So first we collect the raw data, means to collect the wheels, collect the chassis, collect then after that the steering, and then all the parts assembled together in assembling line, and then we made one the car or the one truck. Okay, so now in the data science field or the machine learning field, the data is becoming the new raw material for the to run the business. Okay, now the next and one of the most advanced concept or the one of the most like useful concept, how does the data in fashion industry leverage the data? Okay, so see, there is a one handout section in the left side. Suppose if you want the blogs based upon the data science, then Python. Suppose if you want how to know so about more about the Firebase school, Firebase technology, so just click on the handouts. There is a so there is a link of the Instagram communities, then the Instagram groups, then after that LinkedIn groups, then LinkedIn community, and the Firebase blog. And now the Firebase launched the more 2000 plus blog based upon the related to Python language. After that, then after that the image estimation, then image classification. After that, it start from the scratch to the end. Okay, so now many of the students like heard about the recommendation system. Like some of the guys come from the computer engineering, computer science engineering. Some of the guys IT, or the some of the guys working on the IT industry. So see how the recommendation engine works on the data science. Okay, so first of all, when you like there are the two types of the recommendation engine. One is the filter collaborative, and one is the filter collaborative, and one is the content based recommendation engine. So most of the industry like Amazon, Flipkart, Mintra, whatever industry, it is work on the content based recommendation engine. What is mean that suppose when you search like when you search any product like smartwatch, like any apples, or any smartwatches, any mobile phone, like after that any whatever you can search the product on the Google. So within a 5 minutes, Amazon and the Flipkart show the recommendation or show the notification on your the mobile phone as well as your the Gmail. Okay, that is the recommendation engine. Means they capture the data from the email ID, phone number, right? Because when you sign up on the Amazon app or the Flipkart or whatever apps like the Mintra, whatever, so they capture your phone numbers and the Gmail ID or any other email IDs. And you know our the email ID is now the main content to capture the all data. Okay, yes, there are sure I will share the recording after the session, don't worry about that. Okay, now see, this is the recommendation engine work. So all recommendation types of engine work on the Python, and it is the part of the deep learning concept, that is the natural language processing. So behind the natural language processing, we use the recurrent neural network, like it is the text recommendation part. Okay, so that is a part of the deep learning. Now the next product and next the project is how does the construction industry leverage the data. Okay, and all guys pay attention, it is the no surprise. Okay, now the today's world artificial intelligence use in a civil industry. How it is used to maintain or to like maintain the all types of like bridge construction or the large building construction. How it is, it can capture the images by the drone. Means it detect the any defect part in any bridge columns or any the or any building construction, so they detect the image with the help of drone. Okay, now see the now most of the drone now the work based upon the artificial intelligence concept. Okay, now they capture only the detect part, and after that compare the capture image with the existing image called as the blueprint images. Okay, next another example is in a civil industry to construct the bridge, to locate the to capture the base location with the help of geographic information system in a shortcut GIS. Okay, now see how data is generated. That is the most important part in our the data scientist life. How data is generated. Okay, how data is generated. So see, the most of the like young peoples, you know, like in a like the basically example for the India country, the most of the peoples are youngs in between 25 to 35 age. And now in a pandemic situation, lots of the streaming shows like the Netflix, Amazon Prime, Hotstar, or the like Sony Live, they drop down the price and to buy this the subscription and see. So most of the user data collected from the streaming, the more shows and the films like the OTT platforms. After that, the spending the more time on the social media. It is not like every youth most of the time, like suppose when you get to wake up at the 6 a.m. and just first of all to click the internet and check the WhatsApp notification, LinkedIn notification, whatever. So that is the most of the time you spending on the social media is the 43%. Okay, next the spending the more time on the messaging service, like it is not like to message to friend, like to some of the like most of the companies, suppose when you buy the any product from the Flipkart or the Amazon, so they quickly get the message your order is booked or whatever, so that is the spending the more time on the messaging service. Okay, now the streaming more music, like now this the online trading, and now the in India use the free everywhere in net into the free. So most of the people or most of the user use the Wink music, after that the Spotify, and the online music. Then after that spending the more time on the mobile apps, like other than the social media apps, like any companies meetings apps, like after that any whatever like Gmail, YouTube, whatever numbers of mobile apps are present, like game. After that, most important now the today's in last 2 years, the most of the youths or not use, maximum people are spending the more time on the playing games. Okay, the first online game like more trend, that is the battleground games. And these battleground games capture the each and every data from your the mobile phone. First of all, they capture the location, right? When you on the battleground mobile, so they ask which location, Asia, Europe, or any other, or the North America, or the whatever. So it capture from the location to the sitting arrangement, because they provide the all over words. That is the online games. They capture the your chart, your recording, your the player names, your the nicknames, whatever. Then creating and uploading the video, like maximum people in the pandemic situation, they try the new things to create, like to develop the work any videos based upon the, suppose the person have the talented to explain the Python, so they just develop it and upload on the YouTube, right? After that, listening to the more podcast, this is the new concept, and this concept used by the professionalism peoples, like in industry. So maximum peoples are listening to the podcast means, suppose the one of the Firebase AI School podcast on the Spotify. So in this podcast, the all whatever data science syllabus or whatever data science concept, it included in the MP3 format. Just search it and the after that listening this. Okay, now the few fact about the data. Few fact about the data means, see the total world population, like urbanization, not in rural, so 7.9 billion, like near about 56.2%. So numbers of mobile users, the like 5.27 billion. It is not a like a small figure. Now the today's in all over world, the each and every human beings have the smart mobile phone. Okay, after that, suppose when you have the smart mobile phone, the every mobile user at least near about approximate internet users is 4.6 billion versus total population. And now the trend is the active social media, it is a 7.82 billion, and this is the highest number all over this population. Okay, 7.82 billion people are using the social media. So see, so think about this when you use the snapshot and when you pass the one image to the your friend, so the snapshot captures the images. See how the data is generated. Okay, and now the few fact about the data is, it's like the bank money. Okay, suppose you go to the bank and you suppose you deposit some money like 1 lakh, 2 lakh, and then after that bank says that your money is double after the 5 years or the 2 years, it based upon the bank condition. Same as the data is doubling every 1.2 years. Okay, So see, think about why the data science is the sexiest job in the 2021 century. Due to this, because data is doubling every 1.2 years. After that, 90% of data today is created in the last 2 years. So this figure why is big? Because I think some of the guys came from the mechanical industry. The industry revolution 4. The total industry revolution 4.0 is based upon the IoT thing, after that automation thing, after that data science industry, whatever. So now everyone, I think maximum people are heard about the near approximately 3 million job IT slash due to the automation industry, and this survey by the Bank of America. So see, IT says that the 3 million slash. Why? Which jobs are the drop down, like the BPOs? After that, like any standard processing, like whatever automation process industry. So now most of the jobs are the fall down due to the BPO. Why? Because the artificial intelligence, like Philips company or the one of the Korean company, they develop the TV anchor. They develop the TV anchor and they speak about the live news. Okay, and now when you suppose visit any our website and they show pop up the one chat box, that is the BPO, because you can connect with the live chat. So see, about the 80-90% of data is today generated due to this. Now the most important is the 80% of data is the unstructured. So what is mean by the unstructured? The unstructured data means like the images, the data format in a images format, after that the text format, after that in a text format, suppose you consider the one bill. So GST placed in like left hand, so sign signature placed on the right hand. That is the unstructured format. So the 80% of the data is unstructured, and as per the research, the 80% of the data scientists maximum time spent on the data pre-processing part. So that's to convert unstructured data into the structured format. Okay, now at the moment less than 0.5% data is ever analyzed and use it. So see the potential about the data set. Now, one of the most, what is the data analytics? Anyone knows what is? So please start me. What is mean by the data analytics? Anyone knows what is mean by the data analytics? Please chat me or text me on the chat box. Oh, don't. Okay, no problem. So see, the data analytic means extract the meaningful information or the extract the important patterns from the raw data with the help of statistical analysis technique, and most of the statistical analysis technique, it is based on the 5 point of summary. What is mean by the 5 point of summary? Calculate the mean of the numerical data. So be remember one thing is, when you perform the data analytics technique, so maximum use the numerical data set, right? So calculate the mean, median, mode, after that maximum values, minimum values, check the skewness, check the outliers, data normal distributions are not are. So all of these things, that is the data analytics technique. And that is the most important techniques in the data science industry. Okay, because every machine learning engineers or the any particular products require the perfect data set. Not they suppose there is any null values like the garbage data set, so they incorrectly prediction or the classification. Now everyone say how is the machine learning, right? Because everyone now interested, or the all guys interested data scientist, because I want the data scientist post. So see this picture, everyone like assume as I am a coder. Okay, so how is the machine learning? So see, the machine learning is a types of the artificial intelligence concept that provide the system means automatically learn from the historical data set with the help of machine learning algorithms. Once you created the algorithms, it is fixed for the lifetime. Okay, so it's the power of the machine learning is it is automatically learned from the historical data set. Next, what is the data science? So tell me, what is the data science? So data science is, it is the ability, the main important to take the data set. After that, understand the data set means extract the useful information, and after that visualize. Most important part is the visualization techniques in the Python. After that, communication with the data set means calculate the null values, check the information, describe the data set, and this definition says by the Hall variant by the chief economics at the Google. Okay. Now, what is meant by the artificial intelligence? So, artificial intelligence, it is the demonstration by the machine, and artificial intelligence, its work on the complex data set means unstructured data set like images, after that text, after that MP3 format speech, after that the video data set. That is the artificial intelligence, and use RNN, CNN, ANN algorithm, LSTM, by many more deep learning algorithm work on the TensorFlow and the Keras. After that, the PyTorch, many more frameworks are used. And now the most important, why Python used in data science? Right now, in our market, numbers of languages present like Java, after that C, C Sharp. Why Python? So C, basically Python is an open source language, means it's freely available to everyone. Next is Python easy to learn from the non-technical background, like maximum student from the BSc in mathematics, statistical, or the BA from the history. So they suppose if you think I transfer my field into the data science, so Python is very easy. After that, many more packages like visualization. After that, many more mathematical function, statistical function used in a Python, and it is very easy to import the all function in Python. So that's why I use. Yes, there will be the Python hands-on session on the last topic, the real-time data visualization on the Python. Okay, I will just start the introduction about the Python, because maximum guys are come on from the non-technical background. Okay, so several libraries are available in a Python, and Matplotlib, Seaborn, Plotly, many more. Now, introduction to exploratory data analysis, EDA, it is short form of the EDA. So see, exploratory data analysis means understanding the data from the statistical techniques like the 5-point summary. Then draw the meaningful patterns from the data set. Okay, after that, exploring the data set means check the data distributions or not. And now then we start, after this some one last concept, and then start the exploratory data analysis technique. Okay. Okay, that's good. So see, now the next is, so see, now the Firebase introduce or the offer the one data science machine learning specializations program, especially for the beginners and the fresher student, as well as the experienced person. Okay, so this the course offer about the tables of content about the Firebase specialization program, the about the Firebase AI school, what makes the specialization program, then the program details, and after that the program structures. Okay, so why Firebase AI school of choose anyone's, or why you choose the Firebase AI school, the master class? Because the advantage from the exhaustive curriculum taught by the world-class faculty. Okay, actually, the myself I am the completed in a master's mathematical modeling and simulation, the specialization with the deep learning concept. Okay, now the next is, this is the right time. This pandemic is the right time, because the 46% and the professional in India, especially for the India, have the work experience less than 5 years. And now the today's statement by the AIMS chief, the this pandemic situation you can handle up to the 1 years, because now the third wave comes in October to November, and all of these things predicted by the statistical analysis technique. It is not like to get the press conference and says that anyone. This all of this prediction by this based upon the statistical technique. Okay. So now 61% are job are to open for the candidate with 0 to 5 years work experience. And now the most important thing, 2022, India became one of the most top three market for the big data and the data science industry. And now current the 2.7 million jobs are available in the data analytics and the data science field. Now the program features from the Firebase AI School, guaranteed internship 3 months for the 5 months specialization program, one-on-one live session. After that, provide the live recording session and the one video studio recording content base. There are the two types of recording provided by the Firebase AI School. One is the live class recording session, and another is video content that's capturing the recordings. All syllabus of the 5 months, and then placement 100% placement assistant by the Firebase AI School. Now the specialization program include the 5 months of training. This start from the scratch like Python, how to call the variable, what is meant by the variable, what is meant by the values, up to the Tableau data dashboard creation. Advanced topic is develop the model on the Flask. After that, develop the model on the Heroku with the help of GitHub. Okay, machine learning, Python, SQL, Tableau, statistical analysis, all of those things. The program has the 5 terms in a 5 months, 20 assignments, each assignment in a week, 50 quizzes after the live class, 5 midterm exam. Why conduct the exam? Why which means how many topic you understand in a months. After that, 20 mini projects, one major projects based on the industry, not like the one the dummy data set. After that, 150 hours the late live training, and 3 month guaranteed internship offered from the another partnership companies, and after that globally recognized the data science certificate. Now the course is step one is the theory session on the weekday, means a class happen twice in a week. For example, Tuesday and Thursday, and a Saturday, all days are practical session. Then provide the reference video plus assignments. Then lab session on the over weekends, means only the practical sessions. Whatever I told you the theory in the 2 days, practice session on the Saturday, and the step four is the midterm exam. And the last five is the step is the guest session and the hackathons, the power by the Firebase AI School. After that, the program learner segmentation. Now the Firebase AI School, the maximum students come from the engineering backgrounds, then MBA in finance, marketing, sales. Some of the maximum students, the 20% of the came from the commerce background, and some of the students or the some of the guys they completed the MBBS or the MD, so they learn how to use the data science in a medical industry. Like in a pandemic situation, the one of the company developed the X-ray machine just to capture the X-ray and pass it to the machine and get the result it is COVID or not. Like one of the most famous example developed by the, I forget this university, they capture the noise, cough noise, and they said, and the machine says that or you are the like corona positive or not within a 15 minute. Okay, that is the power of the data science in a everywhere industry. Okay, and now see the learner segmentation. Maximum student come from the pressure, obviously. Maximum student are passed from the home. Okay, passed from the home like online exam, and the government put some condition, can't pass the difficult question, can't pass the numerical, can't pass. Suppose some of the guys come from the civil or the mechanical background, so how to draw the gearbox? Okay, so came from the 50% came from the fresher. The who have the experience in the 0 to 3 years, that is 33%, and the remaining is the 2+ years of experience, because they just transfer the developer to data scientists because of only the packages. Now the program curriculum is the foundation of the data science, start from the Python programming, data wrangling, manipulation, data cleaning, all of these things. Now the statistical methods start from the hypothesis testing, type 1 error, type 2 error, all of these things, skewness, then after that kurtosis, all of these things. Then all 10 machine learning algorithm, then supervised learning, unsupervised learning, regression, classification, clusterings, then hierarchical clustering, after the hyperparameter tunings, then ridge regression, lasso regression, many more topics covered from the machine learning topic. After that, data science application in SQL, After that, the Tableau, model deployment on the Flask, and then final capstone project based on the industry real-time projects, and then introduction to artificial intelligence. And one more, the advanced topic from the Firebase AI School is the Power BI on the Jupyter Notebook to create the dashboard of the data set. And these are, and I think everyone know these tools and language like Python, NumPy, Matplotlib, Plotly, SciPy, everything. 20 plus mini projects like car price prediction, bank fraud detection, image classification, then sentiment analysis, numbers of. Now 4 week hands-on on the major projects. You will get the time for the major project. The 4 week total 1 month spent on the capstone projects and based upon the real life industry projects. Our the alumni works on the maximum MNCs company as well as the startup company, or the some of the student like now from the January batch, some of the student goes toward the US for the to complete the masters. Okay. Now after that, our expert like Aniruddha Kalbani, the CEO and the founder of the Firebase AI School as well as the Firebase Technology. Now another the instruction, the Ananda, he is the best professor for the artificial intelligence and one of the madam from the Dr. Jyoti. He is the associate professor for the Gurgaon University. Okay, our the testimonial students, you can find out the LinkedIn's also. Our the achievement, the best startups top awards from the Nagpur Startup Fest and in the upskilling and the reskilling domain, and this startup award offered by the government of Maharashtra, and after that top recommendation institute by the Analytic Insight magazine. Okay, our the sample certification, data science and machine learning specialization program certification, and this certification automatically generated by after the course completion on your the portal. Firebase AI School conduct the live session on the one portal, not a Google Classmeet or not any virtual or any other meeting. They develop the own portal, and all of this thing like recording after the quiz, assignment, internship, certificate, whatever you want, they just provide on the portal. And advantage of this portal is totally free for the lifetime, not a 1 year, 2 year, totally lifetime. Okay. After that, this is the one fee structures for the online program and for the in-class program. And do we have any questions about these programs? And then I just start. Now, any questions, or are you enjoying the sessions or boring? Because after that, I start the one real life example in a Python. So no problem. So Komal madam, so these internships start by side means this. Suppose you are interested in DSML professional course 5 months. So your internship start from after the 2 months side by side. You can just spend the only 2 hours on the weekend like Saturday or Sunday, just you pass the data, means you gather the data, after that read it, then after that discover it, etc. So don't worry about that internship. Your internship start from the after the 2 months. So don't be confused anyone guys, so pay attention, don't be confused. So this internship, it can be start after the 2 months, not like 5 plus 3. Just start side by side after the 2 months, because in a 2 months you will cover the Python and the statistical all methods. Okay. Okay. Understand, Komal, or any doubt? Okay, thank you. Now, the anyone have any question? So write down the answers in a 2 or the 3 line. Okay, that's good. That's good. The Vamshi says that I am the AI part. How deep concepts are covered? Okay, so see. Yes, this artificial intelligence specialization program for the 9 months. 9 months means the Firebase AI School provide the 6 month internship after the 2 months and covered from the scratch how to develop the recurrent neural networks or the convolutional neural network from the scratch, how to extract the data from the images. In images, when you pass the images to the Python or the any other, like in a past has an image, so you can extract the output in an array format. You will get the one array. Okay, yes, 100% placement assistant are given by the Guru Asni. So see, Vamshi, this Firebase as school starting from the scratch, like CNN. What means what is mean by the neural networks? And suppose one example in a recurrent neural networks, the next application is the LSTM, log short term memory. How it is correlated with the RNN and the LSTM, where it is used, and this all of these projects are the present inside you, like like image classification, image labeling, after that image labeling with the help of webcam, after that object detection, then text, then the sentiment analysis, then recommendation engine, after that extract the best resume from the out of 100 resume numbers, many more application, because in AI provide the 40 plus mini project. Okay. So the one question arising from the Rajesh. So he, what about the sum not from? Okay. So see, I already starting told you key the Python, the Firebase AI school start from the scratch, and Python language is very easy to understand from the non-technical background. I will just explain one example at the times of the real time example. Suppose a is equal to 5. So what is mean by the a? So a has a variable is equal to 5 has a values. Okay, suppose when you put a is equal to 5, what is mean that what is the difference between single is equal to and double is equal to? The single is equal to means to assign the values, means 5 has a has assigned the 5 values, and when you use the double is equal to, that is the compare the values. A is equal to 5 and a is and another a is equal to 5, it's true or false, that is the comparing the values. So I start from the scratch. How to install the Anaconda? Why use the Anaconda? Why use the Jupyter notebook from the Python? Why not the PyCharm used? Why not the any other sources used? Why it is use the Linux OS? Why not use the any other OS? Start from the scratch. So don't worry about the non-technical background students. Start from the scratch, and this class is a live. Suppose if any doubt, so please ask at the times to the professor. Okay. Okay, Rajesh, any doubt, any question? Any question? Yes, real-time data extraction with the help of SQL query. After that, Amazon Cloud System. Okay. After that, free open source, that is the Heroku development cloud system to extract the data with the help of SQL pipeline. Okay. Now, any question, any doubts, all guys or people? Any questions, any doubt? No. Okay, that's great. So now start my the real world analysis practical session. So everyone pay attention. So this is the Jupyter notebook platform from the Anaconda. Okay, so Anaconda, it is the third party software. Okay, in Anaconda there are the numbers of programming frameworks you like Jupyter notebook, after that Spider, then the PyCharms, many more. Okay, so this is the Jupyter notebooks frameworks. So see, it is very easy to handle the Python language. So this horizontal bar call at the cell. Okay, this in mean call as the input when you write the any code. So for example, I just use the basic libraries import. Pandas has a PD. Means why? What is mean by the pandas? Pandas, it is used to data manipulation language, data reading language, data wrangling language. To use the main purpose to read the CSV file in with the help of pandas. What is mean by the CSV? CSV means comma separated values. It look like the Excel sheet, but maximum 90% of the data in a CSV format, it is separated by the comma. Okay, so see now there is a change in a in bracket. In means input and two means line number. Now this line runs the two times. Suppose if you want, so just put just click on the restart button, restart and run all. So now, so this function restart your the all background process. What do you call the, suppose some of the students, like some of the beginner students, they like a is equal to 5. After that 10 line, after the 10 lines code, then a is equal to 6. Variable is the same, value is a different, so Python it can handle, not the any other language. But some after the sometime Python is overlap, so that time your code is correct but Python is predicting the wrong, that is the value error or the type error. So what is mean by the type error? So type error means you pass the element and this they can't inside the existing list, means you pass the any other variables and then can't, and they have not placed after the before the cell at time. And what is meant by the value error? When you sort or when you extract the any element from the given list and this indexing it is out of the bound, that is the value error. So that time restart and run all cell. So see, there is a one black dot on the right side. After the restart they can now see only put the one, and right side here show the now the black dark circle only the one thin string. Okay, so pandas it is used for the data manipulation, data wrangling or the data reading part. This is the file button. File button whenever you want a new notebook. So Python 3 now the currently used, and Python 2 is stopped. Some advanced or the some of the basic concept or the some of the modification in the Python 3. After that, suppose if you want to make a copy, so make a copy. Then save has the many more. After that, one of the most advantage or the one of the most advanced in download in a many more format like HTML, LaTeX format, PDF format, notebook. So Sri, Jupyter Notebook, the by default extension is .ipynb. Okay, and suppose anyone guys use the like terminal in a Linux, use the terminal, or after that some of the students use the spider or the PyCharm, the extension is .py. Sorry Sardasht, I can't share this slide because it is the company's prerequisites. Okay, so sorry for that. Okay, yes, this session up to the 8:30, don't worry about that. Okay, so the Jupyter Notebook file extension is .ipynb. Okay, now after that, suppose if you want edit, so edit the any like add the cell or cut the cell. So when you run the code without any mouse click, so just first press the shift. So see, first press the shift and then after the press the enter to run the cell. Otherwise, there is a button run, just hit it. Suppose if you want this run cell below the line, so just click on the downward arrow or click on the upward arrow, is go toward the upward side. Suppose if you want to delete this cell, just click on the cut button. If you want add the cell, just click on the plus button. It is very easy. That's why the Python is very easy for the non-technical background. Okay, everyone is understand or any questions or the my speed is like was increasing or is moderate. Everyone is understand this concept, all of these basic things. Please send me your response or please open your mic and or the please tell me. Are you comfortable with this Python Jupyter notebooks? Okay, thank you. I think everyone is happy for the session. Oh, right. So see, import vulnerability. Now after that, insert like initial above the below or the shortcut is this method. After that, kernel means whatever you have the background, the code, and see a Python in a Python the background work on the C language. Okay, background language is C. So see, suppose you want to restart the kernel, just click on the restart, just click on the restart and clear output. So all output is clear. After that, help. So this in this help, there's a numbers of shortcut buttons in present in the help. So but maximum people are used to shift enter or the mouse. Okay. So now see, so now let's start. So pandas it is used for the data manipulation or the data reading language. So whatever you want to comment this code, or suppose you write down the any notes for particular command, so just put the hashtag. Hashtag means comment this line. Okay, so now see, pandas, it is used for the data manipulation or the data reading. Okay, after that, next is a NumPy libraries. Okay, so for the mathematical calculation and the statistical calculation, use the NumPy libraries. The NumPy has a NP. What is meant by the full form of the NumPy is numerical Python. Okay, so see, in artificial intelligence or the in like basics, suppose maximum student are came from the after the 12. So see, 100 maximum student work on the 3 by 3 or the 5 by 5 matrix. Okay now, but when you have the images in an artificial intelligence project and that images size is a 4 by 6, what is mean that 4 by 6 array means you have this four six rows and the four column. And how it is possible, suppose when you have the 100 of images, so think about how is possible to 100 by 100 matrix calculation or the multiplication. It is not possible by the manually. It's take the 2 days or the 3 days or some of or the it is the manually calculation. Absolutely you will get the error. Okay, so see, the NumPy, it is used for the matrix calculation, array calculation, or any addition, subtraction, multiplication, float division, many more mathematical, statistical application, hypothesis testing, all of these things. Now the next part of the data science, the quantum physics. The quantum physics, all over the topics or all over the calculation covered by the NumPy, and the NP has a shortcut of the NumPy. Why use the shortcut as NumPy or the PD? When you write down the code 100 lines of code, 50 lines of code, it is not possible every time to use the pandas, NumPy, pandas. It is boring. So use the shortcut pandas as a PD. So that's why Python, it is used for the data science. Okay, it is open source and it is very simplicity language. Next, use this is the basic libraries. Panda has a PD, NumPy has a NP. After that, visualization libraries, import matplotlib.pyplot has a PLT for the visualization library. Once another advanced visualization library is import Seaborn has a SNS. Okay, after that, another most advanced visualizations libraries, that is you can download from this the images without function, without write down the code, and the library is the library is a Plotly. Okay, Plotly has a PLT. So now I just use the input PLT. I just Okay, so the question is why we use the NumPy and PD while importing the pandas and NumPy and Jupyter. Okay, so Sri Jhakir, so see for Jhakir, see why use the PD. So PD has the shortcut of the pandas and the NP has the shortcut of the pandas. Okay, so it means that when you write down the 100 lines of code or the like 1000 lines of code, it is difficult to write down the pandas every time NumPy, or you confused where it is when you use the pandas or the NumPy. It is not compulsory to import panda as a PD, but for the understanding or for the better visualizations about the code, use the shortcut. Okay, it is not mandatory to like always use the. Yes, we can define the anything, your name shortcut, whatever. You can define the anything, whatever you want. Don't worry about that. That's why I said the Python, it is a very open source or the very sustainability language. Okay, so what about the R language? So R language, now the most of the libraries like Plotly, like 3D plot, after that TensorFlow, Keras, they cannot be fully developed yet. Okay, maximum time the R language is used for the statistical in analysis the quantum physics. When you install the Jupyter notebook, so already basics library installed. NumPy, Pandas, Scikit-learn. And yes, and after that, when you install the new library, so see in a Jupyter notebook, use the pip install and the library's name. So always use the exclamatory mark before the pip. That is the mandatory. And when you use the terminal, Linux terminal or the whatever like the Mac OS terminal, so that time just write down the pip or the sudo apt get install. But in Jupyter notebook, only use the exclamatory mark pip and install. Okay. And everything is provided by the when you take the specialization program, so everything is provided by the Firebase School. Firebase AI School one provide the cheat sheet of the every topic like data structures, data like then after the logical operation, mathematical operation, then after that install library, all of this provided one cheat list. Pip install means we install the one libraries of the required for the machine learning or the data science. So pip is a Python. So okay, for in a whatever you want the library is in a Jupyter notebook in a Python language, so use the pip. So cheat sheet means it is the shortcut of the all methods. So see Rajesh, one example about the like data structure. So list, tuple, dictionary, set. So many more example like then after that in list is a immutable. After that then tuple is a, then use the like concat method. Then after that extend method, append method. So the shortcut of this all function in a single cheat sheet. So it is easy to understand when you write down the code. So see this cheat sheet and write your code. It is very easy to understand. Means in a simplicity the shortcut of the all functions with one small example. Okay. Understood, Rajesh? Any doubt? Any question? Understood, Rajesh? Or any question? Okay, welcome. So now see, these are the visualizations library like Plotly. Now the advanced, I just stopped device because of my Jupyter notebook is lag. So that's why off the cameras. Okay. So now see the Plotly, there's another function that is the express and the graph object. So see, to import Plotly dot express has a px. Px has a shortcut of the express. After that, to plot the graphs, mean when you download the, then after that zoom in, zoom out the images, after that save the images without write the code, so use the go function. Okay, so import from import plotly dot graph underscore objects. Objects has a go has a shortcut of the graphs object, and last one import function of the plotly function is so plotly dot offline has a pyo. Okay, it takes the one time or like maximum 60 seconds to run the all libraries like matplotlib, cbon, after that plotly, then after that plotly's function, all of these things. Okay, so see now the run my code. Okay, everyone understood? Now see, I just import or the write down the one libraries or the one function that is the import warnings. Why use the import warnings and after that warnings dot filter warnings and ignore. So what is mean that anyone knows what is mean that it is used for suppose maximum students now work on. Yes, I will send the all this sessions recording. No, don't worry about it. Okay. See, this warning, the filter warnings means whatever you write down the code, the sum of the and you always start the internet. Some of the libraries updated automatically, but when you can't update on your Jupyter notebook, so that time you will show the like warning message that is the version is now the like matplotlib update the version or the go out or the like coming new version. So that way use the warning, so all warning it can be erased with the help of this warning. Okay, now the main topic is read the data set. So read the data set. So first call the variable name call as the df. So df call as the variable. So we remember when you write the any variable in a left side of the is equal to call as the variable, and everyone pay attention. See, remember that variable always start from the string, not any integer. Suppose this is not a complete code. See, when you start the variable, one is equal to pd dot read underscore csv. So see everyone, one in a show in a green color, that is not a variable, that is the integers. Okay. So always start our the variable start from the string, means in any letters, or otherwise start from the first underscore. Okay. So that is the method to call the variable. So one of the guys asking me the question how I am from the non-technical background and the name of the student is, I know I forgot it, but see the teach from the variables. Okay, and after that read the data set with the help of pandas. So pd is a pandas dot read underscore csv in a open close round bracket pass the data set name. Suppose you have the CSV format, so use the pd.read underscore CSV. Suppose you have the Excel sheet format to pd.read underscore Excel. What maximum companies data is provided in a CSV format. Okay. Okay. So now my data set name is COVID underscore 19 in the underscore India dot CSV. The extension is CSV. Now see, the one thing is when you write down the any code base like related to data science, so we remember you are the Python file, means Jupyter notebook file, and you are the data stored placed in a single folder. So that's why it is very easy to just write down the data set name, just write the three or the four letter and press the tab, they capture the automatically path. Okay, this is the method how to write the code for the better understanding. Okay, so some of the student write like the folder in a one drive and your code is another drive. Then after that you can copy the path. That is a very garbage. It look like the garbage. Okay, so now see how many columns, how many entries, how many features in the given data set. So check df dot head. So df.head means it shows the top 5 rows. By default, top 5 rows. Suppose if you want the six rows or the 7 rows, so just write down inside the bracket 7. So they shows the 7 rows. And remember, Python indexing always start from the 0. See the left side column in a bold format. The Python indexing always start from the 0. Okay, where to store the data set for the easy access to kernel? Please store the data set in a single folder. Otherwise, suppose if you are interested in a cloud system to access the data set from the Amazon, but Amazon can they apply the charges because they provide the one terminal and the SSH key. Without key, you can't log in. Okay, so see, this is the top 7 rows. Now the important thing, check the how many rows and the how many column. Now it is visible. Now it is very easy data set to like count the numbers of column and say that sir there's a total 9 column. But when you have the 1 lakh example and the 30 column, what about that? So that time use the shape function to check the numbers of rows and the numbers of column. So shape function always show the first number always represent the numbers of rows. And now there's example is 50,806 and the 9 column. So column also called as the features. Okay. In and out, any question? Now the next is check the any null values. Okay, so see df dot is null. But see when you check the any null values, so they show the answer in a true false format, and the sum of the example are the missing. It is not easily understandable, right now. So that time use the sum function means calculate the each and every missing values from the given features. And see the answer, there is a no any null values. 0 means null values. Okay, D type means data types integer. 64 means 64 bit because my machine is 64 bit. Okay, so now see after that df.info. So df.info function shows the information about the given data set. See the numbers of total numbers of example 15,806. Now the example start from the 0 to 15,000. After that total 9 columns. Sum of the column is object. Sum of the column is integer. So there is a see how many integer column? 4 column as the integers and 5 column as an object. Okay. So now the one more trick is. The one more confusion is, I think most of the students they capture this point. Date is the represent the object. Why? Because date is the like in the format of the years, date and month. And why it is show the object? Anyone know why it is show the object? Why basically show the object? So see, when you read the data set, so there is a like in a string format, then put the dash. Okay. So now after that, I will convert the data types in a date time. So before that, now see there are the 9 column. Out of the 9 column, is S number means serial number, date, time, states. After that, confirm Indian national and confirm the foreign national. It is not mandatory. It is not compulsory how many foreign people get like positive or the not. So I will just drop it. So see how to drop this column, how to remove this column from the given data frame. So df dot, so use the variable name where you read the data set pt.read underscore csv, that is the df. Okay, after that use the drop function. Okay, didn't or cannot write a hard code to drop the any function or the any column. Just use the drop function. After that, in a list, so list always represented in a square bracket. Okay, so in a list, pass the column name. So I drop the column name has a 1, the confirm Indian national. Okay, and another column is so to put the comma and pass inside the single quote. Okay, call as the single quote. Okay, when you represent any column or the any features name, to always pass inside the single quote or the double quote and triple quote. Okay, so why when you use the single quote, double quote, and the triple quote, so all of these things explain the specialization program. Okay, after that, pass the axis is equal to 1. Okay, what is mean by the axis is equal to 1? Axis is equal to 1 means it is our the column, and axis is equal to 0 means row indication. So now I drop the confirm Indian national and the foreign national. So Sri, can't we use, yes, SQL is used in a specializations program, how to extract the data, how to write the queries from the select the particular column or delete the particular column or extract the particular entry. I just now the real life example on the, and the condition is exploratory data analysis on the data visualization. Maximum my part focus on the data visualization technique. Okay, SQL is used after the Python language because you can clear this first concept, how to drop it, how to add, delete, insert, whatever. Y axis is equal to 1, axis is equal to 1. 1 means to drop the column. So axis is equal to 1 means it is indicate the columns number. Axis is equal to 0 means by the row wise, and 1 means by the column wise. Okay, now the df drop, now I am the column wise. So axis is equal to 1. And one more function is in place is equal to true. It means that in place is equal to true means this true column is permanently dropped. Okay, now the check df dot head, so it's permanently deleted. Okay, now the check of the data set. See, original data set they have total 9 features and now the 7 features. Okay, so in place is equal to true means it permanently delete. Suppose we have the one list and you drop the one elements or the any other elements and you write the in place equal to true, so it is permanently remove it. Okay, and now the most important part and the maximum guys are interesting for the plotly graphs, mean visualization graph. Okay, so see what happened the race between recovered and the death due to the COVID. So see, pay attention everyone, what happened, the race between recovered and death. Anyone have any question? SQL, no. Okay, so any question or any doubt? Okay, so see, now the next is to what happened the race between recover and the death picture. So now see f and the x, now the plot the graphs by using the plot list. So now f comma x, that is called the two variable because I plot the two graphs. First is the recovered and another is the death upon base. So now plt dot means plt means matplotlib dot pyplot has a plt dot the subplot. Okay, subplots means put the two graph in a single frame. After that, I define the figure size to fix size to use the fix size function, and after that, x has a 20 and y has a 20. See, this is the plotting methods. Okay, so create a one's x and y axis. After that, pass the data to plot the graph. So data is equal to. So this data I can extract from the government website, Government of India. This is the live data set. Okay, I just extract the before the class. Okay, in Excel because this data in an unstructured format. So I prepared it all of these things. Now see, data I just call the data means I just pass the numbers of column whatever was required for the visualization technique. So df create a one list and inside the list pass the column name. So first column name is the state and union territories. Next column is confirm cases. So then the name is a confirm. And we remember when you pass the column name, so paste as it is like s or ed. So paste the name as it is. Suppose in case any missing, so cannot read any column name. Okay. After that keyword, then after that last one is the death rate. Okay. So now see, this is about the data set, and after that. sort the values, because these values are the randomly assigned it. Okay, now these values are randomly assigned by this each and every government. So first of all, sort the all values, so it is very easy to understand. So data means all columns, whatever I call the columns name, state, confirm, keyword, and total, the 4 columns. So sort underscore values. Okay, values. I just sort the my question is, the my aim is what happened the rest between the recovered and the death. So I just use the confirm column, confirm. After that, use the ascending. Ascending is equal to false. What is mean that? Anyone know? Ascending is equal to false means the sort the values in a descending order. Ascending is equal to true means the all values sort in ascending format. Ascending is equal to false means sort values in descending format. Now the in place true means permanently. So always use the capital T and the capital F when you write down the true or the false. Okay. Now see, use the Seaborn library. So from the SNS dot set color, set color. So see, it is not a wrong spelling. Okay, color, COLOR, not a COLOUR. The standard the spelling of the color is the COLOR. After that, codes is the function to pass the color. Okay, so the color name is the pastel. Okay, and after that, create one bar plot with the help of SNS. So SNS dot bar plot, x is equal to, in a single quote, pass the confirmed. The spelling to be remember, confirmed. Okay, and in a y-axis, pass the state. Sorry, state, union, territories, countries. Okay, so define the x and now the y for the bar plot. So x axis has the confirm values, means get the values from the confirm column, and y as a state. After that, data. So data, it can be captured by the data variable. Data is equal to df and pass the all columns. Now after that, pass the label is equal to total. My label is the total and the color is equal to red. See the graph, first graph is C. Okay, everyone see this graph, the maximum confirm cases and the recovery rate in the Maharashtra state, everyone knows, because Maharashtra highlights in April and the May months, right now? Okay, so I just put the another graph is in the same frame. So SNS, I just copy this code for the time consuming part. Okay, I just put the another colors, another code is a muted. After that, confirm. After that, how many? Then QR rate. Okay, and after that, pass the state and the label is a QR. And the color is a green. Now see, I just use the labelings or the legend. To legend means they can show the what is meant by the red color and the green color. Okay, so now see, ax dot legend. After that, numbers of call is equal to only the 2. After that, LOC means the lower right or the upper right, then pass the lower right. And then after that, frame. The frame is in a single frame. Frame on 2. Okay. After that, limit. So put the limit. So x limit, I just put it start from the 0 to up to the 7 lakh, because the maximum numbers of patients goes to up to the 7 lakh. Okay, now the Y label. So labeling of the y-axis, I just put the state, and the x label. So label in the x-axis. Cases. And last one, use the plt dot show. So it is why use the plt dot show. You can see the axis when you run the code without plt dot show. They can show the backend code like axis, what it mean by the x and what it mean by the y lab. So it can for the erasing. So use the plt dot show. So now see this graph. I think size is big, but it is very used because the Maharashtra state is the highest confirmed cases in a month of this. And now see, there is a one legit on the lower right side. The red color means total numbers of confirmed cases, and green color means cure cases. How many patients are cured? Okay. Yes, I have the account on the LinkedIn. So please go toward the handout section. So see, there is a numbers, all links. Okay. Suppose if you want to my mail, so I just write pass the mail ID. Shubham at the rate fireplaceaischool.in, and go to the handout section. There is a all the present the all link like LinkedIn, Instagram, everyone. Okay. So now the another graph is now the main important task is convert the date into the data type object into the date type. Use the df and the date. Means in a variable in a list pass the date as the feature's name. After that is equal to from the pandas to convert. So to date time, convert date time in a open close round bracket df as a date. Okay, and after that day first is equal to true, means it's permanently change the data types. And now see the information of the given data set, and now check the data types of the date columns, that is the date and times. And previously it is represented as an object, and now it is the date time. Okay, anyone doubt, any questions? Are you understand, are you enjoyable these sessions or not? Yes, I can explain the more visualization. Please wait for the Rohit. I can I write another visualization. Okay. Okay, are you understand? Now check the how many confirm, how many recovered, how many date throws in India in an integer format. So write down that I just write down the one variable as a df confirm India is equal to df dot group by. Use when you compare or when you check the any values, means in a single features when you calculate the how many males and how many females, that time with the group by function to group the two classes or group the all integer values. So that time with the group by. In a tuple always represented in a round bracket. So date. After that in a list pass the confirm. Okay, and now after that use the sum function, mean open close round bracket. After that now I don't want any indexing number, it start from the 0 or 1, so I just use the reset index, reset underscore index. Okay, so now use the print function or the without function. The Python have advanced when you put or the when you show the any values with or without print statement. So just pass the variable name and just press the tab and get the variable name. Okay, but see they can show by the date wise, because why group by the all confirmed cases by the date wise, but it cannot is it but it is not visualized better. Okay, right now it is not good. Like date is the another matter, then confirm is another. After that some of the values is missing, and then after that show the values. So that time use inside the print statement confirm, they pass the column features name confirmed and put dot max. So maximum numbers of confirmed cases. So max value represent the maximum number. Suppose if you want to modify the print statement, so write down the print, open close round bracket, inside the bracket pass the single quote or the double quote and write down the statement whatever you want. So I just write the confirm cases are, and after this statement just pass the comma because of to break the statement, and now see the print statement. Zakir, it is take the time to make a framework in a SQL or the in a Flash after in a Tableau, because it take the 3 hours to show the all framework, because it is get the API, it takes the API from the terminal. It is not possible to complete the 1.5 hours or the 2 hours. Okay. So these all of these things covered in a master specialization courses. Okay. So now I just check the another by the how many keyword in the in India. So just change the variable name. After that by the date wise, and after that pass the keyword column. Okay. After that same statement use. So just run it, and after that use the same statement. Okay. And the keyword cases are, just pass the variable name, how many keyword, just it. Oh sorry, this variable is wrong. Now see the total numbers of keyword cases in a integer format. Okay, so now let's see another graph is the day wise cases in India. It is very easy to write down the any code. Okay, it is very easy in a Python. Just put the hashtag or the any comment. Now I just call the one figure variable. So go dot figure. The F has a capital. We remember when you use the plotly, so use the figure, and the F has a capital. Okay. Now see the fig dot add trace. This is the function to trace the all values. Now I plot the scatter plot with the help of plotly. So use the scatter function. After that x-axis has a df confirm India cases by the date wise. Okay. After that check the y has a df confirm India all cases by the confirm features. Compare the confirm by the date wise. Okay, by the date wise, and after that the mode of this the graph is line plus markers. So see, I will just explain this, all of this function when after the plotting. So lines plus markers, yes, the compulsory. Okay, and comma the name of this the graph is total. Just whenever you pass the any string, so just pass inside the single quote or the double quote. Okay. After that, update this layout. Whatever you put, whatever you plot this the scatter plot by using the plotly. So there is a one function update the layout. So by using the fig. After that, update the layout. Okay, and after that, title of this my graph is the title text is equal to trend of coronavirus. coronavirus cases in India. Okay. Now after that, plot the colors to plot bg color. So this is the function in all function in a plotly. Okay, so bg color is equal to rgb, red, green, blue, and our range is pass in inside the code the 230 comma 230 comma 230. Okay, the range in between always 0 to 255, and after that use the like plt dot show. So same has used the figure dot show. Okay, so now see what was the error in this. Okay, of the add figure. After that, trace, then the scatter plot. Okay, sorry, there is a not a S, there is a X. Now see this the plot. By the line plus marker, marker means it represent the circle, and line means it look like line. And show the advanced level in the plotly. Whenever you put the cursor, they show the numbers of cases in a million by date and the day wise. That is the advanced technique in a plotly. You can capture it, you can download as a png, you can zoom in, zoom out, after that pan in, after that select, then zoom in, zoom out, then auto scale, numbers of many more function plotly. So that's why I use the plotly, and this is the title of the trend coronavirus. Okay, everyone here, the x-axis represent the by month wise, by date wise, and y has the by patient, numbers of patient in million. So see this graph. Okay, now in doubt, any question? Have you understood? Okay. So same. So this graph is a for the by day wise configuration in India. So I just use the same for the date wise day in India. Okay. So always use the next figure go for the new graph for the new frame. So the like now day by day wise cases in India. So just change the X has a I called date. No, I just put one variable for the date wise. Okay, the date. Then after that, group by the date wise by dates. Okay, and after that submits. Okay, that's good. After that, pass by the date wise. So just press the tab. See the recommendation is the by date wise by date. After that, compare with by the day and the date. Okay, same. Use the line marker. Then after that, the total dates. After that, the trend. After that, the title is the trend of the death cases in India. After that, the color. Okay, and after that, figure dot show. What happened? Deaths. Oh, sorry, this variable is wrong. Sorry. Now see, total deaths in India. So always show in a by the in a thousand format. Okay, because the numbers of cases in a million and the numbers of deaths in a thousand format. Okay, any doubt? Any question? Could you show the code? Yeah, this is my code. Yeah, see this code. Now see the one, I have the one more data set with risk for the last graph. Okay, see. I have one more function to change the color. Okay, I just change the line color. So line is equal to dict of color is equal to red. See, yeah, sure, possible, no problem. Okay, now I have the less timing, so I have just covered the one more interesting graphs for the with related to vaccine. Okay, so df underscore vaccine dataset. So then the variable name is the vaccine. Okay, so pd dot read underscore csv just parse the vaccine dataset by the state wise. Okay, now after that check the head, check the head. See the how many columns. So check the shape function. There are the 18 columns. Okay. So now see, suppose if you want how many people are vaccinated by the Covaxin and the COVID shield. So use the Covaxin. Covaxin is equal to DF means pass the variable name of the vaccine. After that in a list, then the total Covaxin administration, the column name is total Covaxin. See this, total Covaxin administration. So just copy because it's a case sensitive, some of the spellings. After that, check the values, only values, sorry. Then counts the all values and after that, sum of it. Then print without print function the total up to date. Now the 5,218 people are vaccinated by the Covaxin. Same for the another vaccine present in India, that is the COVID shield. The COVID shield is equal to the vaccine and just pass the COVID shield column name. So this one total Covaxin administration. See total same. No, sorry. DF vaccine total COVID shield administration and the sorry there is only single value. So just check the sum. See how many people. So maximum people are vaccinated by the COVID shield. Okay. What is difference between Tableau and the Plotly? So Tableau it is used for creating the dashboard and it is just you like the drag and drop function. Just pass the features name, drag and drop. You will get the plot without code, and in a Plotly you can write the code whatever you want. Okay. Now see the graph of this the vaccinated. So I just plot the pie plot. So from the plotly to px.py in a tuples for the names is equal to vaccine, vaccinated, and the COVID shield. Vaccinated after the comma, then values is equal to the pass the variable name, that is the Covaxin, and pass the COVID shield. I just add the another function. So comma, title, Covaxin, and the COVID shield. See, now the 100% means near approximately 100% people are vaccinated by the COVID shield. So think about the production maximum rate are developed by the COVID shield. Okay, only 0.00024% by the Covaxin. See, right? Are you understand or any question, any doubt or any problem? last two codes, some code is a different, is because of in a covaxin there are the values, some of the floating or the sum of the values are different. Suppose see the difference between values common, it's calculate the values by the date wise. See, it's calculate the value count means it calculate the values by the date wise. That's why use the value count particular date. In a date, how many people are vaccinated by the covaxin? That's why use. Okay. Now see this person and see when you put the any cursor in a graph, so see values is the 2.3%. Okay, and I just show the last graph. Suppose I think it is print, so px dot tree map in a past the state cases. Okay, so I just put one variable, that is the biggest thing. Okay, so any questions? Why output is wrong? See, the 90% of the people vaccinated by the Covishield and the 9.9% value vaccinated by the Covaxin. The values count means it count the values by the date wise, by the state wise, or by the particular state. Okay. Now see the correct answer. Now everyone understand this code or this visualization. Okay. Any doubt or any question? I just write down in a fast because time is more consuming, because some of the students are like, are you enjoyable or not? Are you boring? Everyone's hi. The last graph I just plot, but this code is slightly is bigger, so pay attention. Then after that sort values in a past in a tuple, confirm. Then ascending format, false. After that till any values. What there is no any null values, but I just use. Suppose does 0. Okay, thanks Rajesh, thanks Vishal, thank you for the good feedback. Then after that put the style, then I change the background colors, then gradient. Okay, after that color map, I just write the color map. C map is equal to, sorry, C map is equal to blues. All these color means in a cheat sheet included the all shortcut, color name, color code, or A to Z functions are included, and this all cheat sheet provided by the Fireplace AI School. Confirm cases, and now one thing is I divided the all cases. See the dot background gradient color map, so use the C map. After that put the red color, so has a red. After that the subset is death rate. Now I compared or I analyzed the confirmed cases, recovered cases, and the death cases in each state by the state wise. Okay, so I just copy this all of these things because this code is slightly long. So this is, so this red color, after that change the greens color for fewer cases. After that, for next is active, how many active cases in a state wise. The color is, I just change the color. The color is always pass in a single quote or the double quote. After that, the background gradient means change the background color of the death rate per 100. Okay, so yes, is correct. After that, color is just, I just changed one, I just passed the code red. Then after that, Y, capital I, capital B and U. These are the color code. Then after that, the cure rate, how many patients are cured? Rate by 100 and the color is ascent. Okay. Error is where it is error. Okay. Why put the backward slash? Why put the blue subset confirm cases? Subset is equal to state wise cases not defined. Why? Okay. I already defined the state wise cases. Okay, not the state wise, just the state case. And I think it is, oh, sorry, I just called another state case. So I just combine the all active rate, death rate, and the cure rate. Sorry for that because I'm not state case or the cases is equal to df dot group by function by the state wise. I just import df dot head for to copy the column name. Okay, sorry for that. After that, in a list, pass the confirm keyword and the date. Vamshi Krishna, just check your internet because everyone is visible my screen, huh? Right? Everyone is visible my screen. Now this good. After that, I just convert this. So now C1 create the variable state case and then pass the active variable. After that the state cases and after that pass the confirm cases. Okay. After that minus of from the state cases then dates and then after that plus the state cases by the keyword. Okay, that's good. My code is running. I am happy. Okay, now after that, same for the death rate per 100. So round up the all values. Death rate for 100 per 100. After that, round up all values to np dot round. After that, 100 multiply by using the star. So state cases and after that deaths and then now divided by the all state cases by the confirm. Sorry, the confirm always pass in a string and after that round up after the point only the two decimal. I want only the two values after the floating values. In a floating only the two decimal. Now the state cases the cure rate per 100 per 100 after that np dot round then the keyword how many is keyword by the confirm. Okay, now see the state cases dot head Okay, that's good. The two columns are add the death rate per 100 and Q rate per 100. So suppose if you want to add the column, so just use the original data variable name and inside the list pass the new column name. Okay. Now after that, what happened? The state cases. Now Sri, I think hope you this run. Yes, I am good. Now this code is run and now see the state wise cases in a very state-wise cases. Why? Sorry. What happened? Which format style is wrong? State-wise cases. After that, sort values confirm ascending is equal to false. Fill in a then style. After that, background gradient. Then check the color map. After that, the subset is equal to confirm. All of this thing is correct. Yes. So what happened? I will just so some of the variable is overlapping. So just restart the kernel and run all. Okay, I already told you कि whatever you got the error. So just restart the kernel and this print all. What happened in the state-wise cases? Uh, State cases sort values ascending is equal to false fills in a. Okay, so this library is not supported at the time Jupyter Notebook. Okay, this is the like values error. Okay, death rate the spelling is correct. Cure rate is spelling correct. Yeah, everything is spelling is correct. What happened? What happened? Orange, blue, green, red. Then days, then code, then active cases, then death rate. I think I got the error of the from the plotly. Okay, this plotly is running on the internet, and I think some of the libraries or some of the function is changed because this library shows the all in a color format in a data frames. Okay, but I don't know why it is show the wrong answers. I think plotly is get arise the error because my code is like absolutely correct because I just check the state then group 5 by the all state then confirm death rate maximum calculate and this is the index all of this spelling is a correct. Yes, state cases is correct, after that days is correct, after that 100 plus test cases because no any wrong in this the state cases is okay. I don't know why it show the error. But now any problems or the any questions regarding this visualization or any doubts or any question? Where it is capital spelling? Yes, spelling is correct. Keyword is spelling is correct everywhere, right? You got anyone got an error? My spelling is correct. No, it's not a defined function. It just I create the one variable state cases. This one I just call. I just check it. The all data frame is perfect. State cases dot head. So it might be error from, because this value error means this error from the came from the plotless libraries. I think some of the code or some of the, I think, change. Don't worry about that. I will explain in my class. Okay. So apart from this, any questions, any doubt? In last code, where it is last code? No, this check the when I round up the all values keyword read by the 100%. So I round up the all values keyword with compared to the confirm cases. Okay. Okay. So thank you from my side. If you have any questions, so please unmute the mic and please ask me if I have any questions or any doubt. Because this is this error from the like plot libraries. Anyone have any question or doubt? Yes, I will definitely share you. Any questions out of the all peoples? One thing I run once again and check it. So now, any question, any doubt, any question? Thank you, welcome. The next class is you will get the mail from the Fireplace AI School or the from the my learning consultant, or you or paste the or the post the share the post on the LinkedIn profile to continuously visit on the Fireplace podcast or the Fireplace LinkedIn group. So just check out the handout section. There's a numbers of groups, LinkedIn groups, what numbers of groups are present. So just follow this page. You will get the update immediately. Okay, thank you, Komal. Thank you, Riteshwari. Then after that, thank you all. Any doubt, any question, not question? Okay, that's good for me, for my side. And the when, so one thing is everyone, my code is running or this the code because I restarted from the all Jupyter notebook and see the my code. When you write the code for with the help of gradient and see in a colorful format over the data frame, so dark color indicate the highest confirm rate in Maharashtra, highest date in Maharashtra, higher keyword rate in Maharashtra. The dark color always shows the highest correlation. Okay, and now see the another graph, the which state are more affected by the virus. So see the numbers of block all over the Maharashtra. So put the cursor any on the graph. So check this answer. Okay, so Maharashtra death rate, then after that Karnataka, then after that Delhi, then Tamil Nadu, then Uttar Pradesh. So the conclusion about this from the all over the graphs, the Maharashtra is the highest rate for the confirmed cases, death cases, but as well as the thing of the positive is the Maharashtra has the highest recover rate. One thing is down, the negative side is the highest confirm rate, but another is advantage highest curing rate. Okay. So thank you everyone. Thank you for attending this session, and I hope the all over peoples the can attend from the starting to up to the end, or some of the count is rise by the time to time. Thank you everyone. I hope you are enjoying these sessions. Please give me the feedbacks on my the Fireplace AI School website on the LinkedIn post. Yes, I will share the each and every data set as well as the code. I hope everyone met my the master class specializations program and the DSML program and the AML program. If any doubt, if any questions, so please ask my the learning consultant or visit Fireplace AI School website. You will get the all course detail. Okay. If any doubt, any questions, so please ask me anywhere, anytime. Okay. Thank you, everyone. Bye bye.